Now is the time we need to be aware of bacteria and viruses. It is necessary to disinfect every part of your home, office, and living environment. Of course, in the vehicle. Clean also the car's interior. Cleverin for vehicle. This product was created by two famous Japanese manufacturers working together. That's Cleverin for vehicle. DENSO is an automotive parts manufacturer that has developed various products for comfortable cabin environment. DENSO is professional in making the air in a car comfortable. It has been selling car air conditioners for more than 60 years. Currently, DENSO is also developing products such as cabin air filter and plasma cluster ion generator that improves the quality of air inside the vehicle. Taiko Pharmaceutical is a leading Japanese pharmaceutical company that has been selling gastrointestinal drugs, Seirogan, for over 70 years. Taiko Pharmaceutical has developed Cleverin, a disinfectant and deodorant that uses molecular chlorine dioxide with the aim of clean the atmosphere of life. Demand for Cleverin is increasing as consumer awareness of hygiene increases. Cleverin for vehicle was born from the combined wisdom of these two professional companies to create a comfortable and safe cabin space. In response to the recent growing need for disinfection, 3 million products per year are sold in Japan. This means that around 8,000 cars are cleaned every day. Let's have a closer look at the effect of Cleverin for vehicle. Cleverin is a product that disinfects 99% of the bacteria. It also has a deodorizing effect. In the test, bacteria disinfection was achieved in only 15 minutes. DENSO developed the fumigation device to enhance the effect of Cleverin. This device spreads chlorine dioxide gas evenly throughout the cabin. Disinfects and deodorizes even the inside of the unwashable car seat. Make the car's interior safe and comfortable with Cleverin for vehicle. Customer satisfaction is sure with Cleverin for vehicle. And that leads to an increase in the number of customers and a greater sense of security.